Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are here up on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. We'd greatly appreciate it.
What we're doing here on this project, the season is coming to pull out some more logs. So what we've had to do, our 76 white tractor, which I'm naming Snow, is needing of special shoes or chains in this case. And what we decided to order was a set of ring chains. Unfortunately,
We ordered some chains and we gave the dimensions of the tires to the gentleman. He said they'd fit, but they were actually 4 feet too short.
too short.
For,
So
for
we had to return the new ones and start looking for used ones because nobody was selling the size we were looking for. So we went on Marketplace and found a set of chains that would be very close to what we needed.
They were still short, but the gentleman that sold it to us had some spare parts of chains as well.
He had a set of two older chains, still ring, not quite the same size of ring, but it still works. And here you're going to see that we are starting to piece together the two sets of chains.
The second, for the second tire, because we actually did one tire already. So essentially what we're doing is we're cutting the lengths of chains to making them the right length for what we need, and then we're welding them together and assembling them so that they fit our tires.
That's right. So you'll see that's the small set we're working on. The small set was pretty damaged, but you know what? If you have good tools and that, and you're able to weld, you can repair just about anything. So it took us about, what, 2 days, I think, to assemble everything,
Correct.
cut, assemble.
Yes.
So it turned out pretty good.
So what you're going to see coming up is us grinding the chains apart, and I don't think we have any footage of you welding, though.
No, welding
Yeah,
is
but
not very good for the videos.
but what essentially we did was reassemble them to fit the tires.
Correct. I actually made one, I'll say one set of links too long. I had to recut because I didn't know the exact size, but all in all,
this is what the chains look like when we first got them, all in parts and pieces. One was good, the other wasn't. And as you can see here, we're grinding to separate them.
Grinding, man. Like I said, it took us 2 days, but as you see, I'm very happy.
He's hugging the tires. And thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video, and please subscribe. It helps us very much.